Hey guys, Mr. Duncan here. So this is the how-to video. We're going to create a Google Sheet. We're going to learn how to fill. I'm going to show you some shortcuts, and that's it. So pay attention. It shouldn't be too long. So the first thing you have to do is you have to get into your Google Drive, go into your Computer Basics folder, right? I'm in your Week 9 folder, and I'm going to do New. I'm going to make a Google Sheet. And guess what? It's going to open a brand new Google Sheet. Now, here's the tricky part. This is really where you got to pay attention. Watch my cursor, right? The cursor where the red circle is. You have to click in the column, but not on the down arrow and not on the letter. Click by it and go click, and then select all the way over to Z. All I did was hold the mouse and I drug it over, okay? And then I'm going to look where my mouse is. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click resize columns, click. And I think that 15 is a really good size for pixel art. So you're going to choose 15 and then you're going to tell it okay. Now, while you still have it selected, this is important. I haven't clicked anywhere. You're going to right click and you're going to insert 26 more to the left. And why I did that is because I want more room. I want you to be able to make as big a pixel art as you want to make, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert 26 more. Now it's okay. So here's where it gets really tricky for a lot of people. You got to come over here and by the number 1, look, I've got my cursor right in there and I'm not touching the 1 and I'm not touching the edge. And I'm going to click and hold. And I'm going to drag down to about, I don't know, I'm saying about maybe 70 at the most, right? So I'm going to go to 70. And then I haven't done anything. I just let go. And then I'm going to right click. I'm going to resize rows 1 through 70. Remember I said, right, 15. And now we've got perfect little squares of pixel to do pixel art in. Okay, so now I'm going to go get some pixel art, right? So I'll do a Google search like, how about right here, I guess, right? We'll go Google, and I'm going to do pixel art. I like superhero, right? Because I like superheroes. Oh, I have my cap locks on. So I'm going to go to images, and I am just going to pick one of these that I want to do. I like Flash, so I'm going to click on Flash, and then I'm going to right click here. I'm going to copy image. I'm going to go back to my, oh, it's untitled. I'm going to call this pixel art Flash. I'm just going to call this pixel art, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and come into my spreadsheet. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. Now, here's the thing. If you grab an image and it won't paste, that means you can't copy it and you'll have to go pick another one. Let me say that again. Stop here. If you right click, I'll undo it. If you right click, right, and you paste and it won't paste, that means the image you picked you can't use. Go find another one, right? Don't spend a lot of time because it just works, okay? All right, so now I've got my Flash. I'm going to have to make them a little bit bigger. So I'll count these squares, and it looks like I come 3 down, and I'm over 1, 2, I'm over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to come over about 20, okay? So A, B, we know this is 26, right? I'm going to have to get him out of the way too. So you know what I'm going to do? Hang on. I'm going to get up here and I'm going to insert 42 to the right, and I'm going to put Flash. I'm going to put Flash right over here. Okay. So I'm going to do his little yellow things and his black. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I'm going to come 3 down and about 20 over. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 26. So on T, 1, 2, 3, I'll come over here. So 3 down, I'm going to click there. Now I want this to be yellow, so I'm going to choose yellow, and watch this. I'm going to click hold, and drag, and then I'm going to click my yellow again, okay? And then I'm going to click, because I'm doing what it shows me. I'm looking right here. See right here? I'm looking right there. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click yellow. And then I'm going to come here. Is that right? Yep. And I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to click yellow. Okay, so now I've got those done. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blacks. So I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to color them black. Now watch this. This is the trick. On your keyboard, if you look really carefully, there is a control key right there. It says CTRL. If you hold the control key, watch this. So I'm going to hold the control key and I'm going to click, 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 and then I let go. Okay. So I just held the control key and I was able to select all those. Watch this. This is where the magic happens. Click. They're all yellow. Uh-oh, I messed up. Oh, well, too bad. I'll come here and I'll fill this with black. So no big deal. So look, we've got flash. So look, I can go, I've got a bunch here I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can go for sure over to here, right? Oh, and I did my horns wrong. So I'm going to have to come here, and I'm going to fill this with red, right? And I have to make my horns. So I'm going to come here. Watch, when you make a mistake, just reset it, and it goes away. So I've got these two here, right? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Let's see what I did. Oh, okay, hang on. I'm going to have to redo this, you guys. I'm glad I made a mistake because, you know, I make mistakes. You make mistakes. We all make mistakes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this has to go away here too, right? 6. Yep. So I'm going to clear this up, reset. Okay. So I'm going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm going to do, I need 2 here. And I'm going to hold the control key. I'm going to put 1 here. And then I'm going to put, let's see, we've got 2 there. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, right? And then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to choose yellow. Hey, now it's right. Okay, now we're cooking. Okay. And then right here, I'm holding the control key again, right here, and then right here. And I'm going to just go ahead and fill those with black. And then I also have right here and right here. And I held the control key even though I didn't have to, and I pressed yellow. So that's it. So what you'll do is you'll count your little squares, count squares, and then create your pixel art, and you're going to turn it in. Here's the important thing to do right here is I got to get where I can see the bottom of my, you guys can see the bottom of my spreadsheet. So at the bottom of my spreadsheet, there's sheet 1. I want you to do 3 different pixel arts this week, and they have to go all in one sheet that you call pixel art. How do you do it? Your first one right here, I'm going to rename this. Look, I clicked on the arrow, rename, and I'm going to call it the Flash. Okay? Done. The next one has to be in the same sheet. So the same file. I'm going to do the plus sign, click, and I'm going to do something else. I'll call this, I think I'll do Superman. So Superman. Okay? And you're going to make one more. And whatever it is, you're going to rename it. This, if you want full credit, you got to do this. And this is number, I'm going to call this, I don't know what I'll do. I'll do Hulk. Okay? So whatever the name of the character you're doing, you don't have to do superheroes. You can do kitty, dog, unicorn, rainbow, leprechaun. Don't care. Just do what you want to do. Have fun. It's a really cool, simple assignment. And I think that's it. I'm going to save this video. And I don't even know how to stop it anymore, but I'll do my best. So, okay, I think I'm done. Bye, kiddos, and have fun. Reach out if you need help. This is one I'll be happy to spend time helping you with. It's a long video. Bye.